Good morning. It's Thursday, 1st of August 2024. So is today the day when the bulls will rejoice at the 25,000. Yesterday, the markets closed at an all-time high as far as the Nifty is concerned, and the broader market also did well, excepting uh, for Bank Nifty as well as the small cap. Uh, this is Vijay here. This is a pre-market commentary. We discussed what happened yesterday and what may happen today. So yesterday, you see that during the day, Bank Nifty was trading negative most of the time. I had mentioned to my subscribers that the range was narrow for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. And if it is narrow, what we call a boring market or a sideways market intraday or a dull market. So there is a market saying, never short a dull market. People did not believe it, and you saw what happened in the last half an hour to 45 minutes. So this market saying, which says never short a dull market, came back to haunt a lot of bears who thought the market, especially Bank Nifty, will close lower because it was under severe pressure. So today I expect, from now onwards, I expect Bank Nifty to do well, equal to Nifty, or maybe even better than Nifty for the month of August. But anyway, let's take it day by day. So among Bank Nifty stocks, HDFC Bank, where we have a position, should now do well because it's formed a base. Then we have ICICI Bank, which is doing well. Axis Bank, which is not doing well, I think is bottoming out. Kotak also should follow the Bank Nifty gang to take Bank Nifty higher. I won't be surprised if we make all-time highs in Bank Nifty in the month of August, but let's wait and take it day by day. Now, today we should open higher as far as the Bank Nifty, as far as the Gift Nifty is concerned. I don't pay much attention to that, but still, for whatever it is worth, it looks like we should have a positive gap opening, even though FIs have sold yesterday about how much did they sell? About some 5,000 crores. And DIS is not 5,000, sorry, it is 3,400 crores. And DIS bought an equal amount, so it's even Stevens as far as the institutional numbers are concerned. Yesterday, among the sectoral indices, we had metals doing well. I think metals are getting up, and they should be leading the charge in the next few days, for the next few days. You also have healthcare doing well yesterday, and media, metals, media, and healthcare. These are the three sectors to watch for the next few days. In metals, we have a position in Tata Steel. Hindalco looks very interesting. So do Hindustan Copper and other stocks. Please note that I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. So when I talk of stocks, these are my personal observations, and these are our personal or family holdings in these stocks and sectors. As far as commodities are concerned, gold has bounced back to almost all-time high. Silver also has bounced back significantly. But on the weekends, I'm a little wary of silver because somehow the bears gain upper hand on Friday. So there could be selling in silver. Silver may still consolidate. Gold seems to be the better of the two in the interim, but I think silver will finally win the race. Now, what happened to the global markets? Yesterday was the Japanese central bank meeting, and they raised interest rates by raised interest rate by 0.15%. Now that was half a surprise because a lot of people did not expect it. Now that strengthened the yen dramatically. It was about 162 a few days ago. Now it is trading sub 150. Now Japan has got a very interesting scenario as far as India is concerned. Japanese investors out from their portfolios, highest has in emerging markets has been invested in India. So there is a possibility that if the Nikkei goes up, then Japanese will pull their money from all emerging markets. So we may find some money being pulled from India too. But today, Japanese Nikkei has crashed by 1,300 points. Now it is struggling at 1,000 points. So long as Nikkei is not going up significantly, I don't think we should worry. because Japanese investors will find it better to hold in Indian equities. So that is the important thing as far as Japan is concerned. Fed meeting came and went, and really nothing, no significant movement on the Fed's thinking. They said we are data dependent, which they have been saying. Of course, the markets reacted in a very different manner. They took off. Dow Jones, I think, went up more than 300 and odd points. Finally, it closed 100 points higher only. And S&P and Nasdaq also. S&P did very well yesterday, 85 points higher. Nasdaq closed about 450 points higher. Then after hours, again Nasdaq has caught the momentum. So today one should expect higher numbers in Nasdaq at the beginning, and S&P and Dow will follow, because Nvidia, which was down to 104 just day for yesterday, after hours it is showing as 121. So that's close to 18% within 2 days. And Nvidia is the highest market capitalized stock in the US. So you can well imagine what kind of market caps movement is happening in the US market. Extremely bullish. Any level you sell, it bounces back in a couple of days. Same thing is happening in India. I mentioned about HPCL, poor results, but it hit an all-time high. BHEL, very poor results, yet it did not fall much. For all I know, we may see a rally in BHEL, because they will give a spin saying that the top line is good and it will continue to be good. So these are all characteristics of a strong bull market. While we may not agree with what market men are doing, there is no point in trying to be negative or going short on the market. So that is as far as individual stocks are concerned. So I am looking at BHE. Sorry, I'm looking at metals. I'm looking at pharma. I'm looking at private sector banks and textiles. Textiles, I think something is in the offing as far as the government is concerned. And finally, the most important news item which is related to India is Infosys, which has been sent a note to 32,000 crores from the GST. That is, they are supposed to pay 32,000 crores. They have not paid GST worth that. And if you really look at what Infosys annual profits are, last year I think they did about 26,000 crores. So entire last year's profit will get wiped out if the GST demand is correct. Now it also means that Infosys has either wrongly understood the GST rules, or they have tried to hide it, wanting to escape. Whatever may be the situation, there will be some what shall I say, volatility in Infosys. In fact, the conspiracy theorists are saying, because Narayan Murthy talked about India will not be able to catch up with China in manufacturing, they put this GST on them. Now, I don't know. I don't believe in these conspiracy theories, whether Mr. Narayan Murthy's comments made the GST demand of 32,000 crores, or it was a genuine one, or it was a misinterpretation. We will soon know over the next few days. Right now, Infosys says that they are always abiding by all the rules, and their interpretation is right. So watch this space. I will be a little bit away from Infosys. Maybe TCS looks interesting. As far as day trading is concerned, we continue to buy on dips. There's no point in shorting this market. There will come a time when you need to short the market, but I don't know whether it is today. At least till yesterday, it did not show. So I am going into the market in a positive frame of mind. I will have to identify, our group has to identify stocks which look interesting. Hopefully, we will do that. We have been on a lucky streak, I would say, where we have been positive. I mean, our balance sheet has been positive on a regular basis. We hope and pray to God that will happen now. But whatever you do, I hope it is a profitable day. Thank you for joining me. It's Vijay here, signing off. Have a good day.